Right, the final part. If you can hear noise, I've got an Eleanor. She's downstairs playing horses and causing absolute chaos in my living room, so that's fine. She'll probably come up here in a minute. Right, so I've put the book plate on there. I've just put a scrapper card in there so that can just be pulled out and written on however. Right, so I've done myself a 5-hole pamphlet stitch template. I have, hang on, I've done the holes in the spine and I've got the signatures ready to stitch in. I thought we'd do that all together. So, but I need first of all to repair these bits here because they are cracking. So, like I said, I'm going to use this. I found the other tape really useful. Why is it? Oh, I see. Right, okay. Right. Yeah, and I'm hoping because it's fabric, it will just bend, basically. That's what I'm hoping. Cut it slightly over and then I can always trim it. I really enjoyed using this on my little gel print books, so which are still in Ko-fi at the moment, so if you want one, grab one. They're great for playing in. Let's just stick this halfway. Oh dear, am I going to even get this straight? Am I a wonky eyesight? Probably not. It's super sticky, so once it's down, that's your lot. So like I say, with it being fabric, that should stretch. Yep. Okay, cool. Thought I'd try it on the back first, although it doesn't really matter which is back and front. Actually, let's have a quick look, see which one we... I think I prefer that as the front, this side, so it will go that way. Right. Yeah, this stuff isn't cheap, but as I say, with it being a fabric, it is very, very useful. Get over slightly. And as I say, and as I showed you last time, it comes in all myriad of different designs and colours. I like this one actually, but it was too light for this. It needed darker on that, but I do like that one. It's like ledger paper. He's very clever, is Mr. Holmes, at seeing things that, you know, that would work well. Designs that would work well being printed on fabric. I tried to think what that was. You alright, Eleanor? Els? Yeah. You alright? Yeah. Alright. Don't hurt yourself, please. It's chucking it down with rain. I knew I'd get the phone call. And as I wasn't working today, I said, yeah. She's very excited about Totnes tomorrow. And I said to her, if it's chucking it down with rain, I don't know if we'll go. There's not much point. I don't think the market will be on much. Because I think it is an outdoor one. Oh, I didn't get that on straight at all. Are you going to be forgiving? Oh no. Oh, heck. Why did I think that was straight? Bear with me a second. Right, sorry, I had to tell her to turn the music down, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. Yeah, disaster. It's all pulled off. But that was nowhere near straight. So I'll keep that to one side. Yeah, that went well wonky. I don't quite know what happened there. Let's try that again. Why do I have so much trouble with sticky stuff? Oh, you caramba. Right, straight this time, Susan, straight. If there's any sort of bits showing like that, that's fine. Not going to worry about that. Oh, honestly, my eyesight is getting worse. Ruler's too big. Right, 3. Sorry if my head gets in the way. Definitely want to get this straight. Sorry, I'm faffing. Right, okay. Let me get a little bulldog clip out. How am I going to do this? Is this going to work? Never had to do this before. That, my friends, is as near as damn it. Just doesn't look straight there, does it? Well, most of that is going to be covered anyway, so yeah, I'm not going to worry too much. Right, okay. Breathe. Because it's straight on the spine. Is it? I don't know. Straight to me, but then it could be completely cattywonkers. Who knows? Right, I'm going to stick that on there. Am I going to do that now? I might do that last actually, because then I can sew in the signatures while we're here. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. Right, as I said, I've already punched the holes. So I think I'm going to put this one in first. And then the fatter one at the back. So it's going to have a gap like that, but it needs it because it's a right old chunky monkey. Right. That'll do. probably speed this bit up.
Hi everybody.
It was on fast forward, but I'll have to take it off fast forward now because you're talking. Because you'll sound like Mickey Mouse if I don't.
Yes.
Yeah, he goes me 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 me. Honestly, your nan makes such a faff about this.
She does. Excuse me, Michael.
Leave her alone while she's quiet, darling. I'll move her in a minute because I need to get and do some sewing anyway. Just leave her for now.
Scared me then.
Yeah, you know she's a grumpy cat. Be careful. I managed to get through the thread there. That was clever. Okay.
And she's normally a machine.
She's a what?
Huh?
She's a what?
You're normally a machine.
Usually a machine. Am I?
You usually always use it.
Usually, always.
Usually always.
You finished playing horses downstairs now?
No.
Oh, okay. I'll set the sewing machine up for you in a minute. Let me just get this book stitched.
Excuse me.
Bye. See, attention span of a gnat. Got there eventually. It's a bit more involved doing the 5-hole, but I did 5 because I've got half pages in there, and if you only do 3, there is a chance that you don't catch them properly. Like maybe it's in the other one. Yeah, the half pages must be in the other one. Yeah. Right, now I will speed you up. Hopefully she won't come back up again for a minute. It's in. That was a struggle. I might put another bit of that tape down there. How's that?
Are you filming?
Hmm?
Are you filming?
Yes, I'm still filming, but I've gone off fast forward now. Do you think that looks better if I put that down there? Or just leave it like that? Better with that, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
I wonder what they think.
Well,
Put me
they
on
can't
your-
exactly tell
you
me.
Put me on your internet, please.
Well, I can't hear because the code is downstairs, and I don't think you're allowed on the internet. Has Mummy put safety restrictions on your phone?
Mhm.
Has she? Right, well, I don't know at the minute. I need to go downstairs and get the code off the back of the router. Alright, so you just have to wait, and then I'll check with Mummy that she's got safety things on first, okay?
I think she does.
Well, I don't know. So I will phone her and ask, because Nanny has explained to you about the dangers of the internet. How some of the children I deal with have got themselves in a right pickle with the internet. It's not a safe place for children. All the time, anyway. Is that straight?
They're ginormous.
I know. They're good, aren't they? Is that
Look at them.
Eleanor, you've got good eyes. Yeah, don't do that. Is that straight-ish?
Straight. Yes, it is.
Well, is it or isn't it? You've got young
Is that
eyes.
straight?
No, I'm not that. They can't answer me. I'm asking you.
I don't know.
I mean, you don't know. Honestly.
I don't know how to do a straight line.
You've got 8-year-old eyes, which are perfect vision.
I don't know how to do line.
You don't know how to do
lines.
straight. Is that straight? Does that look straight? You don't know, do you? Because like that's going to tell you. I don't know if you can hear the whirring. Are you thinking?
Straight.
Is it all? Right, okay.
I don't
So you
know.
heard that. Eleanor said it's straight, so if it's wonky, it's her fault, okay?
It's your fault, actually.
Uh-huh.
It's your fault,
Okay,
Your
that's
fault,
enough.
guys.
Yeah.
and it's the fault. It's the phone's fault.
It's the phone's fault, is it?
Is that a picture of Mackie?
No. No, but I made it. Do you like it? Do you like the kitty cat? Huh? Leave it. Don't mess around with it.
Oh, the tiger scratch, but the face doesn't look anything like it.
It's not meant to be Mackie.
It doesn't look like Mackie.
Kids. I was in a zoo the other day with the blooming animals. Now I've got the kid.
Who's now?
Willow and Mackerel. Mackerel was sat on my desk, wouldn't let me get on and do anything. And Willow kept yapping at everything that went past. Right, okay, that's it. I think that is much better with that on there. Great, sorted. What next? Oh, covers. Right. Yes, I do like that. I absolutely love that, actually. I'm going to blacken these edges so that they don't show up white. Nearly there, peeps. Nearly done. And you can all rest. Mind you, I know a lot of you craft along with me, so which is all groovy. Right, let's get a good glue on here. Oh, I haven't put the hitch post on yet, which is my chosen method of fastening. This did not need fancy flouncy, what on earth is that? You know, floofy floofy stuff. You know what I mean, ties. Oh, I can't. Yeah. Yeah. There is age restrictions on my computer because it's the world I work in. It makes me... What? What? Sorry, talking to my granddaughter, if you're wondering who I'm wanting. Hello, where's my bit of card gone? You flew out, did you? That's fine. Yeah, so that just, you know, pulls out, obviously. Because I don't know whether... Right, I'm struggling here. Let's get her. That's the chair, in case you're wondering. Not me. Right, I'll just sit here for a minute. Talk amongst yourselves. I'm glad I didn't stick this before stitching in. I think that would have been a blooming nightmare trying to work with that on the cover. Oh, let's do the little... Well, that's flat. I don't think they particularly have an up and down. Ow. Right. Okay. Cool. It's on. It's straight. I'm not happy with that one. Right, bear with me a sec. I'll be back in a tick. Right, sorry about that. I had a bit of a mare with that one, but I got it. Cool. Okay, so that's that one. It's given that plenty of time to dry, so that's all good. Let's do the back one. And then we'll do the hitch post. And then this puppy will be ready for its new home. Oh. I don't know what she's listening to down there. It sounds like a load of weirdness. It's a kids program. I did go and check. I've explained to them that, you know, a lot of the child protection things that I have to deal with is all linked to the blooming internet. So even though they moan, I say to them, I'm sorry, but if you can see the state some of the kids get themselves into, the old online stuff. Right, nearly there. Two more corners. I'll tell you what was wrong with it. It wasn't quite at a right angle. Neither's that one. Right, I'm going to pause you again. Back in a tick. Okay, nightmare over. Got there in the end. Good grief, I'm going to have to go through the whole batch of these and straighten them all out a bit. That's flipping annoying. Right, last bit. Good grief. Right. Just need to put the hitch post on, which shouldn't take that long in theory, being the wonderful thing that theories are. I can never remember how to use this ruler, but I think I just remembered. Right, so there. So just there is the centre point. Is that a good point? Yeah, looks good to me. Right, crocodile on the littlest hole. I need to stand up. Yeah, it's nothing quite like having a nightmare with corners and things to really raise the anxiety levels. They're so just perfect. So it's 11 and 11, so that's the middle. Should be alright there. I might come in just a tad more. This needs the big one. I love those crocodile things. If you haven't got one and you want something, you know, what is going to be useful tool wise, that definitely is one thing. I've also got the big bite, which I bought, but I rarely use actually, but I know the minute I get rid of it, I'll want it. So I haven't got rid of it basically. Just needs a slightly bigger hole. These are slightly bigger than standard eyelets, but I like them. I like them a lot. There, gotcha. Nearly there. Oh lordy, that was such a struggle. I managed to break a nail and everything, which was not fun. Where'd that? There it is. Right, okie dokie, we are nearly done. I need it to come this way because I want it to wrap under. There. That was nice and easy, wasn't it? Flippin' heck. Okay, so there we are, all done. Let me tidy up and we'll do a quick flip through. Right, all clear. Right, yes, I'm really happy with it actually. It went well in the end, and I'm really happy with that little topper. I do like that. I hope it's okay. As I say, this can just be easily slipped in and out. Just get a pin and pull it out if you want to. So yeah, there we are. It's all stitched in. Lots of pages. I say I don't know whether it's going to be used for journaling or displaying woven work, because the lady's a weaver. So yeah, we got fabric flips there, belly bands, pockets, more pockets. I'll just flip through. We've seen most of this. I do like that. I thought that was fun. He's flown out of his specimen thing. Yeah, I know. It's the little things in life. Yeah, I've left the central pages. Again, I think it's going to be decorated with work, basically. So, I don't know. Not quite sure. Yeah, it's all laying nicely as well. I'm glad I did the 5-hole because it does capture everything then. Yeah, see things like that where it's just a half page, so it's now got 3 stitches in there, so that's well and truly secure in there. Cool. Lots of scope for decorating, personalising, making it your own basically. And again, that's got that's got 4 in that one, so that's good. It's got 3 in that one. When I was stitching, I nearly stabbed through that one because it had fallen down in between the signature. Little Minky. You're going to do it again, aren't you? Right. Yep, so there we are. All done. It's pretty snazzy. It's proper chunky. But plenty of room to expand. There we are. Hope you enjoyed that. The frustration is over. That was nearly driving me bonkers. So I'll put all that in as well. I'll reuse that because I'm not going to waste it because this stuff is too expensive to waste. So that's it. I'm going to let you go. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the series. This isn't going to be the last one I ever make. I've no doubt there'll be more. But yeah, that's it for now. Bye.